Breaking news, guys. Judge Glanville is off the Young Thug YSL case. He is off the case. Judge Rachel Krause recused him from the case today. Big news, big surprise too, because she even says in her order that the ex parte hearing that everyone was complaining about, that was the basis for the recusal motion, she doesn't see anything improper with it, or she agrees generally with Judge Glanville about the propriety of it. It's everything Judge Glanville did after that that screwed him over. He's his own worst enemy here. It's how he handled the recusal motions, the order that he wrote, his refusal to recuse himself from the recusal motions. He really screwed himself over. And then July 1st, when he decided to basically try to save himself by coming out and sending the recusal motions to another judge, those comments that he made all around that are what formed the basis for his recusal today. Judge Krause even says in here, it just blows me away that she says it's not the ex parte hearing. She agrees that this could be a legitimate reason for a meeting. It's just everything he did after that, the way he responded to the recusal motions, trying to passionately defend himself and put facts into the record. She said that forms the basis for recusal. So what's really interesting is, while this is like such a huge victory for the defense, when you read through the defense recusal filings, they did not really raise these issues at all. You'll remember the supplement that Keith Adams and Brian Steele filed after July 1st was all about the transcript of the meeting and all the misconduct that they said occurred, the badgering of the witness, the coercion of the witness. And it turns out that Judge Krause really wasn't persuaded by any of that, but she had her own reason for recusing Judge Glanville and came up with it based on case law and his July 1st comments. Really, really kind of a remarkable turn of events here. So again, this goes to another judge. It's already been assigned to another judge. We don't know if she's going to stick with it, but this is her right here. Again, we don't know exactly what she's going to, if she's going to stick with the case, but it's a big question about what's going to happen in the next coming days. But I would expect to see a motion for a mistrial, a motion for bail, which Doug Weinstein had talked before about how they didn't think that had any chance. A motion for bail reconsideration would have any chance with Glanville, but obviously if they got a new judge, they were hoping for that. So I think we're going to see that in the next week or so, but it really is just a big question of when could this trial proceed again, because I think they're going to have to call a mistrial, but again, that's not even a given. But I mean, are we going to see anything before the end of the year? Are they just going to restart next year? I mean, I'm just not sure, but we'll see. But thank you guys all for tuning in. I've got a few hundred on each TikTok and YouTube. I gotta get off, so I want to redo my TikTok video. It's annoying that the sound didn't go off on that, but. Again, Judge Glanville has been recused from the Young Thug YSL case. This is Judge Rachel Krause's order today. And if you get into the details of it, she says that it's not the secret meeting in chambers that he had with prosecutors and Kenneth Woody Copeland that did him in. It's what happened after that. It's the way he responded to the recusal motions, the way he decided to defend himself, and instead of just sending the recusal motions to another judge. She cites all that as a reason to recuse him. It's pretty interesting because these aren't the arguments that were raised really in the recusal motions against him, but the judge found them out on her own and has her case law in there supporting recusal. So again, this goes to another judge. We don't really know what is going to happen with the trial. I think there's going to be a mistrial, but we can't say for sure yet. So we'll keep following it, and I'm gonna go redo my TikTok video that didn't have the sound. And thanks for the love, guys. Thanks for all the support and everything. And I know Doug Weinstein was saying that he should be able to join me on YouTube. He's just kind of busy right now, so maybe in like an hour or something I'll go live again with him. So check it out. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I'll see you guys later. Thanks.